We will be folding this 6 units octahedron. There will be 6 here and it's forming an octahedron. We start off with a square sheet and let's fold a water bomb base. Start by folding diagonals. Open up and the other side. And turn over and we do horizontal folds. And the other side. And now we simply just collapse into a water bomb base like this. We'll fold a valley fold like this, align to the middle line. And we'll do this on all the sides, on all the same direction. Start here first and do at the back like this. And we flip this over and fold the same. And turn over, flip and fold. And now would be to fold this diagonally, and you will see that this is a line here and this one reach here, same as the back. And now we will do a reverse fold here. Just lift up one piece and reverse fold this inside. That's all. You will see that this one will be hidden here. Same as the back, reverse fold this. And now we do a valley fold along this edge. And do a squash fold. Open this up and squash it. And we want to hide one piece inside here. Just go through these 2 layers. Turn back, do the same. Valley fold and then squash this. And this one will be hidden inside across these layers. And make a valley fold here like this. And this is completed. Just make 6 of those and assemble. To assemble, just insert this in the pocket. And it should reach a 90-degree angle like this. Once you have 6 pieces, just arrange all in 90 degrees. And we will have this octahedron shape.